In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save an Illustrator file as a PNG step by step. Whether you're exporting a logo, social media graphic, thumbnail, or web image, saving your design correctly as a PNG ensures high quality with the right resolution and background settings. If you're new to Adobe Illustrator or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through everything clearly and simply. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your finished design in Adobe Illustrator. Before exporting, double-check that everything looks exactly the way you want it to appear in the final image. Make sure your layers are visible, your artwork is aligned properly on the artboard, and there are no hidden elements that might accidentally export. Now go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export and then select Export As. This is the option that allows you to export your Illustrator file into different image formats. A new window will pop up asking where you want to save your file. Choose your desired folder location on your computer. Then give your file a name so you can easily find it later. Right below the file name, you'll see the format options. Click on the drop-down menu and select PNG. This tells Illustrator that you want to export your design as a PNG image file. Before clicking Export, you'll notice an important checkbox labeled Use Artboards. This option is very important. If you check Use Artboards, Illustrator will export only the content inside your artboard boundaries. This is perfect if you want a clean image with no extra space around it. If you leave it unchecked, Illustrator will export everything on the canvas, including elements outside the artboard. In most cases, you'll want to check Use Artboards to keep your export clean and properly cropped. Once everything is set, go ahead and click Export. Now, another settings window will appear. This is where you control the PNG export settings, and these options are very important for quality. First, you'll see the resolution setting. If you're exporting for web use, such as social media, websites, or online content, choose 72 ppi or 144 ppi, depending on how sharp you need it. For higher quality online graphics, 144 ppi is a safe choice. If you're exporting for print, choose 300 ppi to ensure the image is crisp and professional. Next, choose the background color. You typically have two main options, transparent or white. If you select transparent, your PNG will have no background, which is perfect for logos and graphics that need to be placed on different backgrounds later. If you choose white, your image will export with a solid white background. Choose the option that best fits your project. Once you've selected your resolution and background color, click OK. That's it. Your Illustrator file is now successfully saved as a PNG. Navigate to the folder you selected earlier, open the file, and you'll see your exported image ready to use. Just to quickly recap, go to File, then Export As, choose PNG, check Use Artboards if needed, click Export, select in resolution, choose your background color, and hit OK. Simple and fast once you know where everything is. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.